Greetings everyone, this is Fahim. From today I'm going to start a new playlist and that is JavaScript algorithms and data structures from FreeCodeCamp. As you might know that I have started my web development journey recently, so it is a good practice to have in-depth knowledge on JavaScript and especially their data structures and algorithms. So I always trust FreeCodeCamp and this is not different. So as I am starting my practice journey on FreeCodeCamp, so I thought about creating sequential videos out of it. So this is the first video of this playlist. So let's start. By the way, you can also do this course with me. What you need to do, you need to simply go to freecodecamp.org learn, and then you have to sign in to a Google account. If you don't have any account, simply uh, click sign in and use your Google account. Alternatively, you can use some different accounts, I suppose, and then you would get to this part where they provide all of the learning materials. All right, and from here simply select this JavaScript algorithms and data structures certification. If you simply click on this, then you'd go to this page, in which page I am currently right now. So let's see what they told us about this. So while HTML and CSS control the content and styling of a page, JavaScript is used to make it interactive. Obviously, why not? In the JavaScript algorithm and data structure certification, you will learn the fundamentals of JavaScript, including variables, arrays, objects, loops, and functions. And once you have the fundamentals down, we'll apply that knowledge by creating algorithms to manipulate strings, factorialize numbers, and even calculate the orbit of the International Space Station. Well, let's see how that goes. Along the way, you will also learn two important programming styles or paradigms: object-oriented programming, OOP, and functional programming, FP. Alright, they have also provided us with a note. Some browser extensions such as ad blockers and script blockers can interfere with the tests. If you face issues, we recommend disabling extensions that modify or block the content of pages while taking the course. Alright, I have ad blocker on, but for this site I can obviously off the ad blocker and reload it. And if I'm not mistaken, if you have signed in to the platform, then you shouldn't see any ad, if I'm not mistaken. All right, so the first part is basic JavaScript, then ES6, then regular expressions, then debugging, then basic data structures, then basic algorithm scripting, then object-oriented programming, then functional programming, then intermediate algorithm scripting, then JavaScript algorithms and data structure projects. So they have compiled a well-organized course, I must say. Now it's time to explore them one by one. Not everything, because as I have already told you that I'm going to solve them sequentially and I would create different separated videos out of them as I go through the course, right? Today I'm going to start with the basic JavaScript, obviously. So this contained 113 challenges or problems, and as you can see I have already solved 44 of them, but I'm going to start over from the beginning. So let's see what they told in the basic JavaScript section. So JavaScript is a scripting language you can use to make web pages interactive. It is one of the core technologies of the web, along with HTML and CSS, and is supported by all modern browsers. In this course, we will learn fundamental programming concepts in JavaScript. We'll start with basic data structures like numbers and strings. Then we will learn to work with arrays, objects, functions, loops, if-else statements, and more. So let's expand the course. So first one of that is comment your JavaScript code. All right, so let me read out the question first. Comments are lines of code that JavaScript will intentionally ignore. Cool. Comments are a great way to leave notes to yourself and to other people who will later need to figure out what that code does. There are two ways to write comments in JavaScript. Alright, there are two ways. Using double forward slash will tell JavaScript to ignore the remainder of the text on the current line. This is an inline comment. So this is an inline comment. Inline comment starts with this double forward slash. Alright, and then you can make a multi-line comment beginning with a forward slash and asterisk. Keep in mind that these two different symbols don't have any space between them, and ending with an asterisk and a forward slash. And here this is also the same. These two symbols don't have any space between them. So this is a multi-line comment. This is an example of the multi-line comment. This is a multi-line comment. Oh, note, as you write code, you should regularly add comments to clarify the function of parts of your code. Good commenting can help communicate the intent of your code, both for others and for your future self. All right, pretty much understandable. Try creating one of each type of comment. All right, you should create a double forward slash style comment, that is inline comment, that contains at least 5 letters. You should create a multi-line style comment that contains at least 5 letters. All right, so let's start with the single line comment. 5 letters. I can simply write my name, which is Fahim, Fahim 12345. It already contains 5 letters. And then I can create a multi-line comment using a forward slash and asterisk. I can write here, let's say my name is Fahim, like sorry, like this. And I can close the comment using an asterisk and a forward slash, and I shouldn't have any space among them. All right, it looks good. Run this test. So submit and go to the next challenge. So this is it. I would make sure to write articles in dev.to hash note, and I would make sure to include the link in the comment box. So save again.